For years, the joke in defense circles has been that directed energy systems, more commonly known as lasers, are the technology of the future, and always will be. But following a series of successful live-fire tests of its new iron beam capability, Israel is moving forward in hopes of putting that joke to rest. Iron beam is a complementary capability to the Rafael-built Iron Dome defense system, which uses kinetic interceptors to protect Israel against incoming rockets, mortars, and small drones. The 100-plus kilowatt weapon, also made by Rafael, is being funded by the Israeli Ministry of Defense. Work on the laser system stemmed from the huge cost of intercepting aerial threats to Israel. Faced with threats primarily from rockets and missiles, Rafael had developed David's Sling and Iron Dome, part of a multilayered integrated air defense system. But there was a huge cost with each interception, and the Ministry of Defense decided to look at a new system, a complementary system that is part of the Iron Dome, that uses a laser energy interceptor. It's like putting a beam on a target the size of a dime at about 10 kilometers. This dime is flying through the air and it is moving sideways, and you have to keep your beam on it. This is a challenge. It is not a technology problem or a scientific problem anymore. It's now an engineering problem. One issue with laser technology is that, even if they can be made more powerful and their systems made small enough for practical purposes, distance and weather can still impact their utility, not to mention it takes time to burn a target. While a kinetic interceptor can destroy a target on impact, a laser requires to be held on target for a certain amount of time, and doing so for even a few seconds has potential complications. And if the weather is bad, it can render a laser system ineffective against incoming targets. Any multilayer air defense array consists of a number of various types of interceptors. High-energy laser may serve as a complementary interceptor, having the advantages of engagement at the speed of light, unlimited number of interceptions, and negligible cost per interception. Rafael is currently developing two high-energy laser systems, Iron Beam and Light Beam. Light Beam is a 7.5 kilowatts Hell interceptor for UAVs and ground targets such as IEDs and unexploded explosive ordnance, neutralizing targets from a distance of a few hundred meters to up to 2,000 meters. The first proven prototype of Light Beam is already available. Iron Beam, a 100 kilowatt class high-energy laser weapon system, is expected to become the first operational system in its class. Iron Beam is designed to intercept a wide range of threats such as UAVs from a distance of a few hundred meters to up to several kilometers. The system can be integrated on multiple platforms and may be a complementary high-energy laser interceptor to any multilayer defense array. Iron Beam, a 100 kilowatt class high-energy laser weapon system, is expected to become the first operational system in its class. The system can be integrated on multiple platforms and may be a complementary high-energy laser interceptor to any multilayer defense array. Benefits of Iron Beam are as follows. It neutralizes a wide range of threats with pinpoint accuracy. Protects military forces and civilian populations. Uses an unlimited magazine. Causes limited collateral damage. Costs almost nothing per intercept. Integrates with a variety of platforms and systems. In April 2022, the laser system was successfully tested and shown to U.S. President Joe Biden during a visit to Israel. U.S. defense contractor Lockheed Martin in December 2022 signed an agreement with the Israeli Rafael weapons manufacturer to join the development of a high-powered laser interception system, dubbed Iron Beam. In a statement, Lockheed Martin said the cooperation would be geared toward developing, testing and manufacturing a variant of the Iron Beam system for the American market as well as others.